friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Dino Kid from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. So we're going to get started with the center of the helmet, and we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the teeth now as we come down. So from the middle here, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal on both sides. And then from that corner again, we're just going to bring this line up and through on a diagonal. Now on both sides, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out. And then from that corner, we're just going to bring this line through towards the top. Let's close off the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line straight down towards the bottom. We're going to step across on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's curve the corners now. So we're going to arch this line through, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come across on the right, just blending that line together, closing the bottom of the face off. Let's come up. Let's draw in two eyes now. So from the center, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in an oval. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Just coloring those in black. And now in the center, dropping down on the left, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right for the mouth. Let's draw on the helmet now. Let's step directly up in the center. We're going to draw in a small straight line across. Let's draw in a diagonal line that comes up towards the top of our page, stepping across on the right, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the top now with a straight line from left to right. Let's close off the rest of the helmet. Coming over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a slight diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then from here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming through towards the top. Let's connect this now. So from the left-hand side on this line, we're going to curve this line up, and we're going to bring this in towards the center. And then we're going to step over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that, bringing that in towards the middle. Let's draw on the eyes on the helmet. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in an oval. We're going to do the same on the right-hand side. Now that we've drawn in our ovals, in the corner, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the rest of the pupil black. Let's draw on the hair behind. We're going to bring this line out towards the side, curving that slightly. Let's bring this line through towards the middle. Let's bring this line back out and then through towards the side of the head. Let's close off our body now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line straight out towards the left-hand side. We'll do the same on the right. We're just going to draw that at roughly the same size. Now from here, we're going to curve the corner, bringing that down towards the bottom. We're going to do the same on the right, curving that corner, and then again, bringing this down and through towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's curve the corner again, flattening that out, bringing that in towards the middle. We're just going to create a nice big square. Close off the neckline here, so we're just going to draw in another arch line from left to right. Now let's draw in the leg. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly down towards the bottom of our page. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve the corner, bringing that around and then down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height as the line in the middle. And then we'll flip across on the right-hand side and replicate that, bringing that down. Let's close this off on the bottom. So again, curving that corner on the side, we're going to bring this line over and through, and we're going to bring this all the way out towards the right, connecting that on the right-hand side. Let's step up. We're going to draw in a straight line directly across for the bottom of the shoe. From the center here, we're going to curve this line up and across on the right. We're going to line that up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that. Now let's move down. We're going to draw in 3 straight lines as we come directly across, and we're just going to draw those all at the same size. And then we're going to step across on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now let's come up and draw in the pockets. Right in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across on both sides. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to bring this line down, curving that out as we come out towards the side. Let's come up now. We're just going to bring this line straight up towards the body. Now let's draw in our arms. So on the top, we're gonna curve this corner out, bringing that over and through towards the side. And then we're gonna do the same on the left, curving that over and then bringing that straight out towards the left. Let's curve that outside corner. So we're gonna curve this, bringing this out on a diagonal towards the left. And then we're gonna do the same as we bring this down and then over on the right. Let's draw on a diagonal line from the inside line now. So we're gonna come out, ending this at the same height on both sides. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom. So we're gonna curve this corner on the bottom, flattening that out, bringing that across, and then curving that back up on the side. Let's close off the shirt and the arms now. So we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes across. We'll do the same on the left. And now we're just gonna add in that 3D effect on the arm. So we're gonna bring this line out on a diagonal, leaving a gap between the arm and the torso. And then we're just gonna, again, curve this back up and through, bringing that in on a diagonal towards the body. And that is it. That's how you draw Dino Kid from Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.